Day, who is St. Nicholas?
He's Santa.
He is?
And remember that this is St. Nicholas, a very important part of our faith. So we're going to go ahead and start. Go ahead, guys. Make the sign of the cross.
A reading according to Mark. And people were bringing children to him, that he might touch them. But the disciples rebuked them. When Jesus saw this, he became indignant and said to them, "Let the children come to me."
So I was going to ask you, who do you think St. Nicholas is? Who's St. Nicholas? Ah.
I am.
Yeah, sure. Answer. He is Santa. Who else knows who St. Nicholas is? So all of you guys have come up with parts of who St. Nicholas was. St. Nicholas is a real guy. And Santa Claus, that name does come from St. Nicholas. But he was a real guy. Now,
St. Nicholas, example of Christian love. We say, St. Nicholas, pray for us.
Uh-oh.
Oh.